Wow. That took a while. I just did a whole long breakdown. I don't think you guys could hear me. You guys couldn't hear me, could you? Testing 1, 2. Can you hear me now? You can hear me now. Wow, I just went through a bunch of stuff too. What I was basically saying is, don't forget today's CPI. It's considered a tier 1 news event. We have the NASDAQ push up through session highs. On the 4-hour chart, we can make the case where we have higher lows intact, but for the time being, we still have lower highs. We'll see if we're going to break the trend line, which way we go. News coming out here at 8:30. 30-minute chart, we've had a 233-point range overnight. Just kind of chopped, just kind of rallied up all night long. No pullbacks, just keeps going up and up and up and up and up and up. Yeah, we get a rip or dip after CPI. Yeah, I don't know. We're up there quite a bit. We'll see what the numbers are going to be when they come out. We look over here at ES, kind of a very similar thing. All right, low, higher low, high, lower high, and we'll see what's going to happen over here today. 30-minute chart, 25-point range so far. Hey, Eddie, good morning. Yeah, I'm ready. I'm ready for a CPI. Let's go, 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 go. I'm not in any trades. So I didn't even trade. The only prop accounts I traded last night was the Apex challenge account. So if you guys were on stream last night, you guys saw that. This is going to be session number 6. All right. Session number 6 is where we're at right now. And when I look, last night we made about 219 in each of the 2 accounts. Keep in mind, one's EOD account, one is an intraday trailing drawdown. Total profit in the accounts are almost $1,000. Looks like $985 and $987 after commissions. So let's see. So I'm not going to take any trades until after CPI comes out, which is going to be in about 25 minutes. So I don't feel as though I need to take any trades. Hey, Chris, good morning. So I'm going to sit on my hands and wait. Now, if we look at the ES right here, we do have a little bit of liquidity down here. 77.40 right there. Look over here on the NASDAQ. What do we got over here? A little bit of liquidity right here at us at 862. But then beyond that, not really. Maybe 30,000, which is going to be call resistance. JD says, I'm in a short. Oh, boy. Hey, Train Game, good morning. Don't forget, today we're going to give away another account. So we'll see. Yeah, earn one, bird one will work. Hey, Raj, is that what you're saying I should do in the in those 2 accounts? I'm just teasing. Let's see if we can make it up back up to the bands when CPI data does come out. We'll see. We will see. We do have negative gamma down below us too. But look at the where's Gex 1? Gex 1 was 29,800. Well, we got that. The 1-day max, see, call resistance up here at 30,000. The 1-day max is up here at 30,010. Put support 29,500. Now on that NASDAQ yesterday, we came down. We got close, but we did not hit it. 524. So we still have 2 open untested point of controls. So hey, Raj, you thinking up or down after the CPI report? Actually, let's see if we can do a quick poll real quick. All right, we gonna be popping or we gonna be dropping after CPI report? Just put the poll into the chat. Let's see what you guys think. Hey, JC, good morning. Adele, good morning. So let's get it. Daily opens already above VWAP. It does kind of look that way. Probably go push and try to hit that 30,000 again. If we look at the cheat sheet, this is what Financial Juice just posted. So much lower. 3.2, 0, 2.3, 0. Stocks up. Dollar and yields down. Gold up. Just lower. Again, stocks up, dollar down, yields down. In line, everything sideways. But we get 3.5 to 3.8 inflation. Stocks down, gold up. I'm sorry, gold down. 3.8 or higher, which I don't think that's gonna be the case. I really don't. I do think we get a rebound in the month over month. Only because of how low last month was. So we'll see if they get it right. Do they get it right? We will see. Yeah, stay broke. Good morning. Let's go looky at something. Let's go here. I want to see the actual gamma up here. Let's go look. So let's do this. Yeah, look, 30,000. Look at all that gamma right up there. That's a lot. That's a lot. Yeah, ABC Foreman could be. But then down below us, 800, 900 above us, 800. But this 30,000 is quite a bit. And even beyond that, we have decent gamma up above us. So we'll see how all that's going to shake out. Senior Iran official. There are no discussions over extending the ceasefire between the U.S. and Iran. But we're going to have a deal anytime. Might want to make both parties aware of the deal. Just saying. All right, Gex won last night. We came down, we tagged it. Been running on up. We have call resistance up here at 7,800. Wow, look at the one-day max. One-day max is all the way up here at 78.16. The one-day minimum, 76.90. That's quite the range. Bounce 30K, then dump, maybe. 125 point range from one-day max to one-day min. And again, I'm not taking any trades until after the news. The only prop accounts I traded last night was the evals for the Apex Challenge. So I'd like to get into some trades, but I gotta wait. I got to wait. Which I gotta get that chart set up too. Duplicates. Window. Sim VWAP. Okay. Let's get the A team set up. Duplicate new tab. MES. Let's duplicate tab. Hey Sam, hey, did you do it through the new portal? The new portal seems a lot faster to me. I don't know if you're using a new portal or trying to do the old way. You had to sign up for it. It's a separate area. Okay. Because it's a separate area now. MCL. Duplicate. MGC. Okay. You have to reset each time you log in? Wow, that's weird. So I had my 2FA messed up one time. They had to send me some stuff. I had to re-verify myself. That was a while ago. Yeah, I'm trying to figure out where to put these windows at. So goal today is try to make another 200 in the Apex Challenge accounts. We'll see if we do it or not. Maybe, maybe not. Maybe we end up having a losing session. Hopefully not. Maybe we blow up the accounts. That would suck. So we'll see. We shall see. I probably need to put two. Let me just set a timer just to be safe. Actually, I want to go double check. Actually, I think in my MFF accounts, I can trade these. Features. Rapid EOD. I want to make sure. So I got the rapid EOD accounts. I've been taking those slow. I haven't been in a hurry to pass them. Let's go look what the news rule is in those accounts real quick. And again, before the news comes out, it's a great time to review your prop firm news rules. All right. So in the eval, I can trade tier 1 news. So I don't have to worry about that. Cannot trade it once funded. All right. Let's just see how many minutes their news rule is. I think it's 2 minutes before and after. Yeah, 2 minutes before and after. So it's a 4-minute window. All right. TPT is 1 minute. Apex doesn't have a news rule. Tradeify doesn't. My Lucid accounts don't. So I could be in all the accounts today, technically. Since my TPT accounts are back to evals too. I blew those up, what, last week? Last week, and I haven't been making a lot of money in those. I think I still need another. Let's see where they're at. They're around 155, 248. So I need about 3,800, 3,750 to pass those accounts, which I'm not in a hurry to pass them. I'm not trying to pass them today. So I don't have to wait. So that's good. I don't have to worry about waiting this morning because I don't have the Lucid Daily. I have the Lucid Flex. Lucid Flex, I'm allowed to be in a trade. So we're going to see how good I can, hold the urge back to smack it. You know, I was thinking about going long for a trade last night in the prop accounts, but I didn't do it. I only traded the Apex accounts last night. In Apex, I can be in a trade during the news, after the news, before it. Doesn't matter. So it looks like we have about 12 minutes. 12 minutes until we get all the excitement. Watch gold this morning too. Boy, oh boy, I got lucky last night on that. I meant to hit the MGC and I hit GC. I had GC in the window. Ooh, that was lucky. Lucky. Let's look at the heat map also. Heat map pre-market. SpaceX up 1%. Hey, so the calls that I sold on SpaceX yesterday were making money. They were in the green. The calls dropped pretty decent after I sold them. So pretty happy about that. Chips are doing fairly well, which the Cosby last night did fairly well. So I'd expect the chips to. Here's Cosby up 233 points. CAC is right now down 14. DAX is up 93. HSI was down 212. And Nikkei was up 553. So Nikkei is getting a nice little lift. Arms and legs to people. Oh, that's funny. Let's go look at the fear and greed index. Where we at? 61. So let's go. 61 on the fear and greed index. So month over month, they're expecting 0.2. Quarter expecting 2.5. Year over year, 3.4. So we'll see. We'll see. I mean, I don't have an idea. I kind of think we're going to pop, which means I'll probably be wrong. I'm not good at judging news. If I put a position on before news, I get wrecked almost every time. So just like earnings, if I try to play earnings, just fade me. I don't have a good record with that whatsoever. I am not good with it. I would think pop, but I'd like to see a drop so we can go down and take out that point of control in the NASDAQ. So who knows? Yeah, crude oil came down a little bit. So a VWAP touch right there. We did make it back to a VWAP last night after the stream. Stay on the stream way too long. Hey, did you guys see on the stream last night? If I would have just, I would have got my $200 in that trade. Instead, I got $40 or something, 40 or 60. I don't know what it was. Stupid market. Kept saying, I'm going to get off early. I think I was still on till 11:30 last night. Those jokers. So. Then my sunglasses, I lost those on the e-foil yesterday. That was a bummer. Let's see. Last night after we look right here, that gold trade did make it all the way back down to VWAP. Wow. All the way back down to VWAP. One micro every trade. It's not bad. It's not a bad idea. Bad idea. So look, gold is likely gonna have a big move after the CPI report. I would think. Maybe I'll be wrong, but we'll see. We'll see. Hmm. $45.08. Hey Raj, right now it's above the third deviation band too. So news will be coming out here shortly. Let's see what they gonna do. What's they gonna do? Yeah, it's haven't yet. Ooh, don't forget it's a great time to smash that like button. I'm gonna go ahead and smash it myself. Let's see what number I'm gonna be. Let's see what number the slacker's gonna be. Oh, you're lucky, 69. Let's go. Hey, it could be a dud. I don't think so though. I'm gonna go ahead and shut down the poll. So it looks like 67%. That ain't good. So I agreed with the chat, 67%. That means we're all probably wrong. Oh boy. Hey Mechanoble, good morning. Yeah, smash that like button. Again, we got another Apex account to give away today during the morning stream, the nightly stream, tomorrow morning, tomorrow evening, Friday morning. So we got some more Apex accounts to give away. We got 5 more. Hey Raj, which account did you pick last night? Which Apex account did you get? Yeah, well, what's funny is we went up on the hope of we're about to get a deal. And it's been well over a week now. Week and a half. It said any hour. No later than tomorrow. Good look out, Total Dork. Appreciate it. So. Yeah, no deal coming. But they already started juicing the market enough to get everybody excited. So, yeah, CPI report coming out here in just a few. Let's go look over here in the 5-minute FEGs. What do we have up here? Anything? We got a lot of FEGs down below us. Not really seeing them above us. Maybe I don't have enough being drawn. Yeah, where it draws the last 50 of them. We all go same direction. I'll clean some up. Now let's see. NASDAQ new session highs. NASDAQ still clicking out new highs. There we go. Woo, get ready. Yeah, minute 47 seconds for the fireworks. Watch it just fizzle. Psst, dud. Oh, man. Yes, up here at session highs as well, I believe. Okay, ES pushing session highs. As we speak, new session highs on the ES. Range RCs aren't coming. Yeah, it will be pretty sick here in a moment. Gold's on the move up. I'm assuming the dollar's down. Let's go look. Is the dollar down? DXY. Yeah, dollar's down a little bit. Let's see yields. It's gonna probably look different after the bell or after the news. So yield's trying to come back down. We still have the ABC target up here at 4.786. Right now, the market's running away from it. So we got 40 seconds left. Oh boy. I do want to see something real quick. Oh boy, oh boy. They're really pumping it right before this news. Somebody already get it? All right. Initial reaction. Look at the NASDAQ. Look at the ES. See, I told you if I agree with you guys, we're going to be wrong. Look, ES getting smacked down. NASDAQ's getting a little smacky smack. Where's gold at? Gold's only up 13 now. Gold got smacked down. Okay, let's go look at the report actual. Let's go actually look. What was... Yeah, see, I thought we'd get a little rebound. 0.1 on the CPI. So a little bit of a rebound up here. Let's go look what caused it. Actually, energy was still the driving factor for a lower number. Wow. So we haven't had the full rebound effect of energy yet. Wow. Yeah, let's actually look at that real quick. What's going on here? I still haven't updated yet. All right. Month over month, 0.2, exactly what they expected. Year over year came in as expected. Month over month came as expected. Year over year, yeah, right in line with what they thought. Year over year was down from the prior reading, though. All right, what was all up? So medical care was up. Transportation, services, shelter, services, less energy was up. Oh, this one was down. Medical care commodities. Actually, medical, we only have a little bit down. Most things rose a little bit. Food away from home went down. Really surprised at that. Probably because nobody's eating out. Can't afford it. We had the market rebounding pretty good at the moment. Little rebound. Look right down here to the VWAP. And the market rallied right back up to the bands. Went down, going right back up. So. No, I don't have any micro trades on yet. I'm looking to get some, but I don't have any yet. Probably should have been a little bit more on it down here at the VWAP, but I was on the ES. What about NASDAQ? NASDAQ just barely missed that VWAP, and look at that move. That's 141 points. That's pretty good. Where'd you go? All right. So we'll see how this is going to shake out. Two view out one scenario, one cup scenario. Oh boy. Look, we're back up here in the bands. You know, we're going to run up to 30,000. Look, we hit 960 ish before that news came out. You estimate to 77.88. We're back into the deviation bands. Yes, it's ripping on up. Yeah, CPI. What are we at? So he is up 31 points. As went to go trade the friggin' prop accounts, I clicked on the wrong screen. Dog it. Stupid. I did it in the friggin' Apex accounts. Can't believe I did that. All right, let me just make sure. Trying to get some micros on. I took a gold trade on accident. I didn't mean to. It was a wrong chart and it was a friggin' the challenge accounts. Did not mean to do that. So now they're up to, I made $58, but that's not what I meant to do. Dog it. That's what happens when you have too many accounts. Too many windows all over the place. All right, let me go look. Let's go look right here. I want to go back and look at the gamma levels real quick. Where's that big of a move? All right. Doc got everything situated. So if you look right here, here's where I made the boo-boo. I thought this was the other prop accounts. I just clicked on the wrong screen, but this was the Apex accounts. I made 3 points. I didn't mean to. I actually thought this was actually ES chart at that. Or MES chart. So we did bounce off. In all fairness, though, when I looked over here at the bands, look, we did bounce off the bands as I was trying to get in it. They came down. I just had the wrong account selected. So good thing I did take the little profit because it's trying to go back up. So we'll see. We'll see how this is all going to shake out. And really was hoping for a little bit more. And let me get this up. I got our normal pull up, pop or drop at the open, meaning the first 1 minute candle. What's it going to be? I think I'm actually going to try to trade gold now. Yeah, tomorrow we have PPI coming out. All right, market's trying to scream up here a little bit. Regression channel is sloping up. We're still contained within that CPI data candle at the moment. CPI release candle. Looks like we're trying to go back up. Or you go back up and hit that wick, get back in these bands, I might smack it. And a lot of times CPI will move the market one way, PPI will move it the other way. Not always, but quite often. So we'll see how it moves today. I've got the screen situated. Yeah, guys haven't yet, don't forget to smash the lucky like button. All right, moving on up here. Right back into being overbought. Think about smacking this. Dow's up 148. Russell's up 15. See if I can get a little something on this short. Obviously, it would have been a better location up here, stretched away from the EMAs. But yeah, maybe. We're gonna go look at the dollar and the yields. See what that's doing. Dollar and yields. I'll give this one more shot. Come on down there. First trade of the day was a L. Come on. Hit my target. Now get all the money back plus a little extra. Come on. Yeah, don't enter in anticipation. That's well said. I'll get. I was hoping we were going to break right there. Just break and get my target. Yes, up 37 now. Come on, Joker. So it looks like we're going to have some gaps up this morning. If we open up where we're at now, we're going to have some gaps, which we'll look at the ETFs here in a moment. Remember, we have a lot of that gamma up there at 30,000. Are we going to go try to test it out again? We might. Ugh. Not liking that. I liked it a lot better down here. I think it's going to get me. CPI basically came in line with what they thought. In line expectations. Gold's up 54 at the moment. Crude oil is up 30 cents. Dow's up 176. I almost hit the eject button up here too. Oh, look at the ES. ES is ripping too. Look over here in the 1 minute. ES trying to take out session highs. I mean, I bet some of the prop accounts that trade the news did good, but a lot of them probably blown up too. The thing with the news, there's no way you're going to be accurate every time the news comes out. Even if you got lucky today, you know, trying to front run the news, over the long run, very unlikely you're going to be successful with it. Maybe you're the one anomaly, but very unlikely. Not impossible. Put it down a little bit more. I'm out. I'm out. All right, I'll take it. It puts me back at session highs. So I will gladly accept that. So I got to trade in on the Apex Challenge accounts in gold. I got one contract on. A few more trades to pass. Well, I mean, hey, you could have took half of them, String Bean, if they're Apex ones. You could have took half of them, went long, half of them went short before the NFP news or the CPI. So come on down, get it, please, and thank you, Mr. Market. Sorry to hear about that, String Bean. Don't forget, if you guys want to vote, pop or drop at the open, polls in the chat. We're going to be giving away an Apex account today. So the quicker we run that light counter up, the quicker we get to the giveaway. Come on, push it, push it, push it, push it, push it. Lower. Look, right here at the second, or I'm sorry, the middle regression channel coming off that deviation bands. Hey, JD, I got CL at 83.35. Only up 15 cents at the moment. Let's see. We got a trade detector bubble showing up. All right. Do they run that buyer over? If we start getting below it, we'll see if we get a fast cascading effect on the way down. We could. Let's see how it shakes out. Nice. Took the gold fade trade. Hey, good deal. Hopefully it gets a little bit bigger of a move down. I don't know if it will. Let's look at the dollar index and stuff real quick. Where you at? Mr. DXY. Dollar index came down after the CPI report came out. Bitcoin trying to come down. Really surprised Bitcoin's coming down with the dollar going down. Depends on which account we're talking about, Chris. I don't have a position on in this account. I do have one in the prop accounts. I do have one on in the Apex challenge accounts. So I got accounts everywhere. Bitcoin doesn't lie. Short one gold and short the S&P. Hey, String Bean, I don't think they. No, if you're funded, it might be a problem, but in the eval, I don't think they check it. Or hey, String Bean, you can always just right before the news. Apex allows you to trade one direction. You just can't bracket it. So, like today, you could have put half the accounts long or short, whichever way you thought, and see if they hit. Next day, do the next thing. Do the opposite. Or do the same way. It doesn't matter. Let's see how the options flow data starts moving around once we get the open. Right now, we have about 40 minutes until the open. So. Don't want to take another shot here. Let's go look. Look, if we end up turning, if that ends up being the high, we will still have high, lower high, lower high. If we break above it, we'll really be challenging this high over here. Then we'll have a case of higher lows and maybe higher highs. So. Hey, we could stay contained within this CPI candle all day long. That would suck. How many points was that? That's 209 points, but still. We did go up all of Asia, all of London. We're going to be susceptible to some type of pullback the New York session. Doesn't mean we reverse the whole trend, but we're going to be very susceptible to a pullback. So, yeah, we have PPI coming out tomorrow. Friday will be the day. Traders keep bets on a 45% chance of a September Fed rate hike. So, no, BK, I'm going for a big target. I'm going all the way down there around 25. Knowing that I may not get the whole target. And if we look on the ES and the higher time frame, I want to see if we can come back and revisit this low over here. But we're gonna have to break this low here first. So I don't know if I'm gonna get it or not. I may or may not. We don't know yet. Been a micro short all night. Oh boy, that's not good. If you look over here on the NASDAQ, are we about to go up there and take out session highs? Maybe. Sorry, that's the ES. Yeah, look on the NASDAQ. Here's a high. Here's a lower high. Here's a low. Here's a higher low. Which way are we going to break? Everything looks so bullish right now. We might go up. Very well could. We got that big gamma exposure at 30,000 on the NQ. See if we go up there and want to hit it. Smack it. I had 2 trades in pre-market. 1 loss, 1 win. Net, I'm up. Headline, inflation cooled slightly. Just seeing it come through in the watch. So. Can I beat from that? Now it's just gonna sit here. That's good. That's gonna be funny. Big anticipation of the CPI. Woo! We're finally gonna get some movement. Have a good day, and we just go sideways. That'd be pretty funny. Yeah, hits the snooze. I guess they needed to shake the sellers a little bit more. They went back to bed. It's like the one and only time I was late for work. Boss man calls me up. Mike, coming to work today? I was like, yeah, I'll be there at 7:30. I hung the phone up on him. I was working 2 jobs at that time. And man, I had to stay at work late. I didn't get home till, I don't know, 3:30, and I took a shower. I didn't fall asleep till after 4. Had to be at work at 7. And, you know, multiple days just compounded on me like that. And that was funny. Then he calls back about 10 minutes later. Mike, it's whatever time. I looked outside. I seen the light. I say, I'll be there in a few minutes. I got there. They were just laughing because I was never late. That's the only time I was ever late for work. He said he could still hear that same alarm clock going off both times. But I was having a dream when the alarm clock was going off. Somebody was outside with a chainsaw with a tree, cutting down a tree. That was the alarm clock going. Burn, burn, burn. But in my mind, it was a dream. Somebody's out there with a chainsaw cutting down a tree. So. Should see some selling coming in. We'll see. All right, so look, right now we have high, lower high, maybe another lower high. Could this turn into a little ABC pattern on the way down? All right, here's the first smaller one first. That target's about 885. Can we get down there? Do I take a trade? Do I try to swing at it? Swing, better. Swing. I may. Oil's down. Oil's down 5 cents. Oh. Quickly took my order and said, thank you. Okay, I'm trying to front run that 885 right here. So if you're wondering why my target's way down here, trying to front run it. Well, wants 90s? Maybe. We have the catalyst to get it up there. But they're trying to keep the prices lower. Just stuck here now. Won't the market ever go green and then just decide to slow down while I'm in the green? Instead of put me in the red and then slow down. Close it. All right, save the couple ticks maybe. Yeah, 9 a.m. So if we go much higher, it'll invalidate the ABC pattern. I've never heard of or prop trader. Never heard of them. All right, let's see. Are we going to run back up here? Right now, we're still making higher lows. We were making lower highs too, but not now. Hey, Captain Rex, good morning. If you guys haven't yet, don't forget to smash the lucky like button. We're going to be doing that Apex account giveaway today. See who will be the lucky winner. So excited. I chased it right into a losing trade. Fantastic. Fantastic. Stupid market. We got about 29 minutes until the market's open. You guys want to vote in the poll, pop or drop? Hey, Brutal, good morning. You get these EMAs to start angling back down from our trade. Get a little bit of a pushy push back down. Red day, wow. All the indices are green. Yeah, look at oil. Oil's on the move down. Look at crude oil real quick. Crude oil is trying to come down that second band right here. Crude oil is down 28 cents. I'm down for the session now after that trade. Was up, now I'm down. It is what it is. Trying to fight the market. The market always wins. So. Inside breakaway. Hey, KD, what does inside breakaway mean? What does that mean, inside? And then breakaway, it's kind of confusing me. Oh, back to 5 to 10 day melt up mode. All right. Gotcha. We'll see how far I get down today before I finally get it right. Let's see a little return back to the VWAP. Get back down to the VWAPs. Wop, 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 wop. It's not happening at the moment. I want to get down. I don't want to get down too much before the market opens. Trade detector bubble right here on the 1 minute chart. I'm trying to get short. Now I gotta push it. Yeah, NQ's up. Hey, Sods, good morning. Closed it. Maybe saved the tick. Maybe. Pinned you like a fool. I don't know. I wonder if now if we're going to end up running this wick again. Are we going to run that wick from CPI? Run all the way up to 30,000, or do we start to roll back over? I don't know. I've given up a majority of my gains from last night. So, not really happy on that. I wasn't even up that. I mean, I wasn't up as much as I have been lately at night. Last night. As CPI was in line with expectations. I feel like if I can get it right, if I can get the move right, I'll be good. All night long, all we did was go up. All we've been doing so far is going up. So, nothing can derail this rally. I really wish I would have went long down here at VWAP. That would have been a trade right there, right near VWAP. Bink. ES had a similar thing as well. Look at the ES. ES actually went through the VWAP. It came rocketing right back up. So, we might. We have quite a bit of gamma up there at 30,000. So if we do make it up there, I won't be surprised. No, hey Chris, my idea wasn't hit VWAP and go back up. I'm just saying, in hindsight, that would have been the ideal location. I'm actually looking for a little bit more of a retracement down, only because we've been up all of Asia, all of London, no pullback. So I'm kind of favoring a pullback this morning. You've seen so far, I've taken shots at it and has not worked out. So. We got about 22 minutes until the market opens. I'm fighting with the idea. Do I go ahead and put another trade on, or do I wait till the open? That's what I'm struggling with at the moment. Yeah, I wouldn't have wanted to short down there. I would have wanted to go long. Coming down to if we're ever above VWAP for a while and we come down to it, I don't want to short at VWAP. I would already want to be short and use that as a target. But then as we start getting stretched away, then I do like, looking for shorts. Yeah, might pop it. They might pop it here at the open. NASDAQ right now is up 303. If we look at the ETFs, just go look what the gaps look like. All right, we close right here. Right now, we're already above yesterday's high, day before high on the NASDAQ. SPY. SPY is not quite above yesterday's high. It's up 0.44%. RSP, equate SP 500, is up 0.23%. We have diamonds. A little bit smaller gap here on the diamonds. Diamonds right here would be gapping right here. Only up 0.28%. And the Russell 2000. Pretty decent gap there. Gapped over yesterday's high. Day before. All the way back up here towards, the 5-day high or so. Flurry of Trump tweets? Maybe. Yeah, are they going to be good Trump tweets or bad? We have another deal. We're on the verge of the greatest deal ever. Or is it going to be something else? Come on. Took your kryptonite. So we only got about 21 minutes left. We got about 19 minutes left. 19 minutes left till the open. I don't know if I'm going to hold off or take another shot here. I haven't decided. I'd like to get back some of what I've already lost, but am I just trying to force the trade? Just CPI in line, Jesse. No big deal. Spiked all the way down near the VWAP. Rocketed back up. I took a couple shots short. Actually, I think I've taken 4 trades short. 1 win, 3 losses down for the pre-market session. So, it happens. Not going to win them all. I will say crude oil is down though. Crude oil is down 31 cents. So yeah, Asia wasn't scared. London wasn't scared. We just grind. Just keep on going and going and going and going and going and going and going. Hey, Repeat, what's up? Good morning. Hey, Repeat, we put you in the race last night. Even though you weren't there, we put you in the race. You didn't win. Raj won. I really want to swing at this. I really want to swing at it. I don't think it's the best trade, but I'm like, ooh, I want to get my money back. You look over here on the 5-minute chart. Smaller candles starting to get a lot of wicks up here. Way too heavy on 6 micros. Yeah, it could get pretty heavy. Being on the wrong side of it. Look at the clock. I'm like, damn, we're going to open here in about 17 minutes. Should I just wait till the open and just, lick my wounds from pre-market? We still haven't had the EMAs cross yet. Haven't had them cross yet. Back to the downside. I'm like, maybe I'll get something. I don't know. 1 from 1 overnight. Jesse says scalp long. Oh, nice push. Nice pushy push. So good thing I didn't get in yet. I'm chopping at the bit. Yeah, 15 minutes till the open. Hey, Jesse, any trades for you this morning yet? Yeah, Apex has an all-in, no activation fee deal going on. They got rid of the legacy accounts. Everyone thought they were going to extend it. They said they were not, and they did not. So. I think they took the legacy accounts off the website. Let's go look. New sales gonna be good for 13 days, but yeah, look, no legacy area to click on. All gone. I do like when I'm able to buy just 5 at a time now instead of buy 1 at a time. It was a pain in the butt, especially when I was buying 20 at a time. Look, we're trying to run up, so probably a good thing I haven't got in because I was looking to go short. So I'm kind of happy I did not get in. Oh, you guys are hearing chirp? I'm not hearing nothing. My volume wasn't up. There we go. Nice. Good job, Jesse. Oh boy. Trading to pay for yeah, sure looks like we're gonna take out this wick up here. Let's see, do we do a look above failure or do we just keep rocketing all the way up to 30K? Remember, right here at 30K, we have a lot of gamma exposure. Right here at 30K. Yeah, stupid market. Yeah, more. Man, if the market was already open, I'd probably swing at this for a little scalp down. I prefer it if we were overbought, but yeah, I agree. It could be a perfect trap. Or maybe we just blast through and just keep on going. We'll see. Oil's going down. Oil's down 48 cents. We look at CL real quick. CL's on the move down. Trying to come back and challenge these lows. We have the NASDAQ getting ready to take out session highs. I can see it. You see that green line right there? That's session high. So we're right there at it. Yeah, 7890 right now. New session highs on the ES. New session highs on the NQ. 10 minutes till the open. And get filled. Come on down. 520, 350, and 145. That stinks. Really debating on. I just tried to take a swing for a little scalp on the NASDAQ. Didn't feel me. Really debating again, taking a crack at it. Look at the ES. We are at ES is up here in the bands. Working on bar number 9 right now. I don't know if I want that trade for the opening bell or not, though. We have 9 minutes to the opening bell. 29,980. I see some liquidity here. I don't see the 980. I see it right there at 30,000. Liquidity here at 30,000. I don't see it at 980. All right. All right, I'm gonna have to wait till the market opens to place any more trades. They get the 9 count right there on the NASDAQ. Target. So bad I want to swing at that, but I don't want to be in a trade when the market opens. So I'll just wait. I'll just wait. Hurry up and wait. Unfortunately. I'm up early. Nah, it's not that early. Almost 9:30 here. Why it's going up so much? Let's just see. Is the dollar going down? I don't know yet. Let's look. DXY. The dollar's actually going up. 10 years come down. What about RSP is up 0.31%. SPY is up 0.50. But you know what I'm going to do? Let's do this. I'm going to start a micro MNQ. So NASDAQ, I got a micro NASDAQ on. I just put on. I know before the opening bell. Feels a little overextended. This will let me withstand some of the wiggleness back and forth, back and forth. Hopefully we don't go all the way back up here. Hopefully we start to turn back down, but because right now we're up 346 points. That's quite a large gap out here on the NASDAQ. So huge rug pull soon. Hopefully we'll see. Maybe not. Maybe they're gonna rug pull me. This will be the trade that just goes boop right down to hit my target. I'll be upset. See a good probability at rug pull. Let's get it. We got 5 minutes. I'm gonna go ahead and shut down the poll. Actually, I'll get the poll about another 50 seconds. Then I'll shut her down. If we look over here on the juice, you got 4 minutes, 42 seconds. SP 10 million sell side, NASDAQ 1.6 buy side, Dow 28 million to the sell side. Pivot point 30,035. I still gotta put my pivots back on my charts. I haven't done it yet. I like to do it when I shut down Ninja and reboot it and then save the workspace so it less likely to get corrupted, but yeah. Ugh. Way to go in the poll. I almost ended the stream. All right, let's go ahead and I'm gonna shut down the poll now. All right, majority of you guys voted. 55% said pop. 45% said we's dropping. So how many points are in a rug pull? It just depends. Is it a small rug or a big rug? Oh, good job on that one, BK. Let's see. We got less than 3 minutes. Yeah, about 2.5 minutes. Let's see. Watch. This could be the NASDAQ short that works since I only got micros on. Let me look at my target where I want to target real quick. Probably at least 840 to the downside. You see right now we're trying to rip up. Oh, we just did take out session highs right there. Let's go. They're trying to push it. Push it. Hey, Tris, good morning. There's a pop. You're fading it. Yeah, I've already started my fade. Hey, we could BK. Hopefully not. Hopefully it's not one of those grinder days. I don't like those days. I'm already, gave up a lot of my profits from last night. So hoping I don't go red today, but could happen green to red. We'll see if we can get back to green if it happens. Come on down. Prepare for a grinder. I hope not. I hope you're wrong, Katie. I hope it. But we've been grinding all night long. We had a little blip here at the CPI. Blip. And then just whoop, right back up. So we got about 45 seconds till the open. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Push, 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 push. Grab 30K. We might. We're not far from 30K. What, another 12 points from the high ish? All right, there we go. Ding, 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 ding. Market is open. Let's see how that first 1 minute candle plots. What's it gonna be? Up, down, all around. Majority of people voted for a pop. I want to fade it. I want to fade it. Kind of a slower open, to be honest with you. All right, quick little scalp there. I was trying to move my target. Couldn't get my target away quick enough. Dang it. Joker. All right, there we go. So the first 1 minute candle was down. Was down. Woo! I still got the micros on too, so I'm hoping this is gonna make up for a lot of those losses in pre-market. Let's get it. Come on down. Come on. Hey, ES got smacked pretty good. Look at the ES. The ES getting smacked down pretty good. He's not playing. He's not playing. Yeah, easy down. Thinly traded move. So Dow's up 20 right now. Barely up. Gold's up 20 cents. Or down 20 cents. I'm sorry. Yeah, Barron's just short the markets. Hey, we did hit 30,000. Yeah, we did. Correct. So 30,000 rug pull. Bink. That's almost a 100 pointer right there. Rug pull off that 30,000. I am curious. Did they? And actually, what's funny is we look at that gamma exposure right here at 30,000. The number actually grew. It was 600 and something thousand earlier when we looked at it. It grew to 831,000. It's pretty big. Stupid market. Golly. Oh, monthly expected move too. Now we do got a trade detector bubble right here. But are we gonna make it down the VWAP? Where's the ES at with VWAP? ES is almost at VWAP right now. Hey, Dow's trying to go back up too. Let's do a quick little checking in. What do you say? So right down here, bink, we're off the VWAP. So Dow did hit VWAP. What about RTY? RTY almost got it. NQ further away. ES pretty much got it too. So NQ is the only one that did not basically touch it. Wow, VIX is down here at 14.94, down 33 cents. And VIX down at these levels, we're going to get a volatility shock for sure. Yeah, we had bubbles. They're trying to get it, but if we stay below it, it means they're going to be on the wrong side, and we get a little capitulation down. We'll let the dust settle here a little bit more. I still got the micros on, so micros could get me back. Could get me back. I'd love to go all the way down to the VWAP. All the way down to the VWAP. That'd be nice. I got another bubble right here. They're trying to buy it back up. They're trying to buy it back up. Hopefully they do not get rewarded. We are below the lower regression channel. Look, sloping up. We went below it. Not a bad place to look for a little scalp back long. I didn't take the trade, but would have been good though. Trade detector bubbles below the lower regression channel. Yeah, I should have taken it. Yeah, NASDAQ's up 1%. Then the Russell up 0.66. Then the S&P up 0.37 and NASDAQ 0.19. So look, NASDAQ never did hit the VWAP. Never got it. Come over, look at the options flow here at the moment. Slightly starting to come down here a little bit. Not much. Nothing crazy yet. Not crazy yet. Oh, we got a trade detector bubble up here now. Should I go short? Maybe. I think I might. Didn't feel me. All right. Try to go short. Try to go short. We have a bubble inside of a bubble right there. I'm watching ES and the NQ. ES is a little bit above VWAP right now. The longer we stay by the lower channel, the more this regression channel is going to start to flatten out and maybe even start pointing down. I do think price is trying to make it down to the VWAP. Pop then drop just as you drew it up. Still got the options flow data getting weaker. Getting weaker and weaker at the moment. Looks like we're going to probably sweep this low. See if we make it on the VWAP. Maybe. Maybe. Should have taken it. I should have taken it. Good news is though, I still got the micros on. So at least making a little something in those. No, hey, so VWAP should not change timeframes. But on Ninja, you got to make sure you have it set to update per tick, not on bar close. If you have bar close, it will be different between the different time frames. Calculate on tick, it will not. Because volume at price doesn't matter time frame. Come on down. Let's get it. 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 Get it. Get it. Get it. Get it. Get it. Ooh, okay, get it. We have not hit the VWAP yet. Forming on the 30-minute chart. Yeah, on the ES. We have one too, BK. We look at ES 30-minute. Pretty large down candle as well. I might end up killing these micros around VWAP, maybe. I do want to go back and look at the 4-hour chart real quick. Yeah, we did wick above that high. Well, hey, could this turn into a little double top? Meaning top number 1, top number 2. We'd have to break the neckline. Let's see where that would take us. $29,060-ish. So again, once again, we're down below the regression channel, trying to get back above it. Regression channel is starting to flatten out here a little bit. Let's see if they can get that turn. Oh yeah, it's not uncommon to see all these gaps. Question is, do we fill the gaps? So Q's. Nice gap up this morning. Let me get rid of the VWAP. Nice gap up this morning. SPY. Good size gap. Diamonds. Diamonds almost came down and filled the gap. IWM. Yeah, not even close to filling the gap. Look, RSP equal weight S&P 500 is looking a little bit weaker than the SPY. Look, here's a RSP equal weight S&P 500, only up 0.05%. SPY is up 0.30. Holding till 550. Holy smokes. Yeah, I don't think I'm gonna hold that long finite. 550. That'd be a nice trade if I did, but I'm trying to get crazy with it. Come on. You see regression channel is starting to flatten out more and more. We need to just get down that VWAP. Just get down there. Just ding, 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 ding. It's almost completely sideways now. The options flow is still going down. So options flow, this line right here, still screaming to the downside. All right, so I do want to mark this off real quick. All right, this could be the orb high and low. And we'll have the midpoint going across as well. Let me make the midpoint green. All right, there we go. There's we go. So we got a little push down. Now we're just kind of hanging out. I think we're going to try to make our way down to the VWAP, or do we go sideways and VWAP catches up to price? It's a possibility as well. Yes, we're just kind of chopping around VWAP here at the moment. Come on, just get down there. Let's get down there so I can close out my micros. I was buying their butts off long through previous day's high. Yeah, I wouldn't mind it. Wouldn't mind it. One of the areas I said I was looking for a retest with the micros was right here, right around 847-ish. It's kind of a little breakout point we had. Let's see. We got to come down. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Break it on down. Break it on down. Yes, it's still going down. So really, yes, 30-minute candle still in the move lower. NASDAQ is not, though. NASDAQ's like, nah, I'm not playing that game. I want to go higher. Short term, we did get B. Short term overbought. Can I take a swing at this? Yeah, smash that lucky like button. If you haven't yet. So we get 200 likes. Another 26 likes in here. Good thing I didn't swing at this. Right back at the midpoint of the opening range. Well, we haven't broken the opening range high or low yet. So. Yeah, we're going to see if we're going to undo this down 5-minute candle. We may. We may. Hmm. 5-minute orb. Yeah, we got below the 5-minute orb, back above it. Things looking bullish. Let's see. I don't know. VIX keeps going down. We're down 2.69% right now on the VIX. Got a pretty decent little wick. Look at NASDAQ right back up. ES is trying to lift up here as well. Look at ES. Big wick on the ES on that 30-minute candle as well. Hopefully these EMAs are about to roll over again. Ooh, the options flow data came in on that move too. I'll pull that up once I'm out of this trade. Money printer reporting. Come on. Who am I stopping the money? Keep trailing it. Keep trailing it. All right, so I got a little something out of it. Got a little something now. I'll probably get the big flush. Yeah, so if we look at the options flow, it did get a little spike. Little V shape in the options flow. We'll see if it starts going back down or not. All right, let's see. Yes, trying to come back down a little bit. We got some sellers up here. They bring it up and they've been smacking it back down. Let's go. We still have not hit the VWAP on the NASDAQ yet. I think it's going to try to make its way down there. At short term, we are oversold, but still think we're trying to work down towards the VWAP, so I'm not looking to go long here. We do have the regression channel finally sloping downward a little bit. I might look for another short here. Yeah, my target's trying to target that VWAP down there. JD says, down chop. Initial reaction in my favor, and then came right back up, Joker. I was up over $200 on that trade. Dang it. Darn it. Got me on it. Trying to grab that target and move it down. Couldn't get to it. So then we're trying to go down to the VWAP. That's what I'm trying to target. Joker. Target. Who will let me grab my target and move it down? Did not, though. So too bad, too sad. It's unfortunate. Gotta take out stops. So what price is VWAP at? It's around 846. So we start getting down here. I'm going to move my target down a little bit closer. A little bit closer to that VWAP. All right. Come on. You can do it. You can do it, please. Who am I stopping the money? Watch it go down there now. Move my stop at the money. Watch it go down there, you sucker. All right, going up. I don't feel bad about that now. I don't feel bad about moving my stop loss. Yeah, only chips run, nothing else. Let's go look actually at the sectors. Wow. So XLI is up. Industrials. XLK, technology. XLRE, real estate, and XLU, utilities. All the other sectors in the red. Where's XLF at? That's only down 12 cents. VIX is just getting dunked on. They're going, bink. Getting it. Oh, you sucker. Watch when you get that VWAP. So I may close out my micros down here at VWAP. Let's see. Do we make it down there? Does we get down there? If you guys haven't yet, don't forget to smash that like button. Again, here's the micros. Probably gonna close them here at VWAP. We'll see if we make it down there. Let's look at ES real quick. What are we doing? We got about 3 minutes until this 30-minute candle closes. Pretty nasty 30-minute candle. If we look at just from Asia last night. Oops, wrong hotkey. From Asia up to the high, we've already retraced 61.8. If you look at from the low of yesterday all the way up to the high, we're right around the 50% fib retracement level. So, oh wow, 36.87 so far, day one in the pro account. Oh, Mongo, you're almost in the money, man. Another $823. It could be in the money. That's awesome. Good job. So look, we still haven't broken the orb. We're still above orb low. We've been below orb high. Let me go back over and look at something real quick. 30-minute chart. Two target areas I like. Right here, right about 847. Next one about 804. Yeah, we gotta get down there first though. Hey, so the options flow data did turn back negative. Actually made new session lows on the options flow. So be well aware of that. Might attempt another short here in a moment. Man, if they would just go all the way down there, I'd be happy. All the way down there and let me get my target. All the way down the VWAP. Be fantastic. Whoa, you can see it's starting to dance around here a little bit. We're getting ready for a move. I move my target in the money. Let's see, let's see, let's see. Come on, baby. Let's get it. I'm going to lock in some just in case. Oh, what the hell? Ah, my chart scrolled off the screen. Dang it. Then when I move my stop, it is son of a... That's all right, though. That's all right. Still a good trade. Still a good trade. Trying to... Still down from where I was last night. But if I were to close out the micros, I'd probably be at session highs at the moment. Or close to it. So... 30-minute candle kiss the VWAP. ABK on the NQ. Because the VWAP should be the same. Hey, BK, make sure you have your VWAP right here set to on each tick. Hey, make sure it's set to on each tick. Make sure it's accurate. And let me know if you still have it there then. I have it where we just missed it off the 1 minute. Come back down. Thought about shorting it. Thought about it, but... Oh, bar close? All right. Yeah, because, hey, BK, VWAP should be at the same price regardless of time frame on the chart. Because it's volume at price, not volume at X period of time. So if it's ever off, it's usually because of that tick setting. Oh, you sucker. You're going to go down there and get it. I don't know if I want to close out my micros yet. Down here at VWAP, I'll be up just over 400 bucks. Which that would probably put me there. Hey, download NinjaTrader has the new version out. In the video I was doing last night after the stream, I'm on 8.1. There's actually an 8.2. The new version of Ninja's been running way better. Way better. A lot more down. Well, let's go. You know, if I can get at least, now if I get 420 out of this trade, I'd be pretty happy. Yeah, I don't know. The new version of Ninja's been running pretty good for me. But I did a fresh install, not just an update. So maybe that had something to do with it. Maybe. Come on, Mr. Market. Come on. It's almost like it's scared to hit VWAP. SP still going down. Look at the SP on the 30-minute. SP still trying to go down. Our NASDAQ's like, I don't know. You know, you're still in this short trade. I don't know if I want to pay you. I can close it right now and I'll be at session highs. And knock on wood, I did not, at least at this point, go green to red today. Hey, Alley Cat, what's up? What's up? Good morning. Trying to break that orb low. Orb low and VWAP are almost at the same spot. Oh, look at oil too. Oil's down 66. I see the VIX trying to spike up here a little bit. Oil's on the move down. Oh, we hit the VWAP. We did hit it. You see VWAP touched right there. I didn't get out. We'll see. Dang it. Yeah, right before the push down. I should have got out right there at the VWAP touch. I did not get out. Dang it. Because on the MNQ, we did not hit VWAP. So look at the difference. All right, here's VWAP on NQ. MNQ, we did not hit VWAP. I was trying to hold out for it a little bit more. And yeah. Should have taken it. But I can always re-enter. Regression channel is still sloping downward. Now we're going to chop. So ES is trying to bounce a little bit. If you look at this on the 30-minute, you can see we have a little bit of wicks. A lot of wicks down this area. Wick. So 4 candles with wicks in this area. Actually, that's not true. 1, 2, 3, 4, potentially 5. This candle just opened up, so we don't know if it's truly going to be a wick or not. All right. The only VWAP setting I changed was calculate on tick, not bar close. Hey, Dow's red. Dow's down 16. Hey, so let's go look at diamonds. Diamonds close the gap? Maybe. Yeah, look, diamonds did close the gap. Ooh, who's going to be the next one? SPY is a little bit further to go. IWM might be on its way down there. Can't believe I didn't close those micros at that VWAP. Had money, seen money, did not take money. I might end up regretting that. Watch YM. But yeah, YM's down there at the second band. YM's down there. Get shorter. I don't know. I don't know if I'm ready for that yet. Kind of think we want the midpoint of this opening range right here. 927. So then we'll wait it out, see if it hits it, and then what happens afterwards. Oracle looks like it's back from the dead. Shoot. Let's go look real quick. Yeah, MU's up pretty good. AMD's up. Intel, Marvell. Oracle's up 2.73%. I don't know if I should do this, but I'm thinking about taking another short here. Dang it, left without me. Left the station without me. Joker. We have a trade detector bubble right here at the upper regression channel too. If you look right here on the 1 minute chart. I'm just gonna gladly take my donation. Glad they got me on that one. That was back in the green. Oh, it was. How short-lived. I don't have them on the M&Q. I got it on the NQ. That 50 during the New York session. M&Q is gonna be a little bit different. You have to play around with it. So I'll try and move my limit out of the way. Gonna move it quick enough. I'll take it. I'll tell you, I think I'm back to about where I was last night for Asia. Roughly. Let's get it. Let's turn the AC down here. My computer's putting off a little heat this morning. Nice trade detector bubble right here as well. On the 1 minute, right off the center of the opening range. Not bad location. Not bad. Let's see, can they break it on down? Break it on down. Yeah, see money, take money. That's the hard part. Sometimes you see money like, ooh, I want more. It's a hard battle to beat. Yep, you can always re-enter. But in my mind, I'm like, I'm not gonna be in at as good of a price. So that's something I struggle with sometimes. $50K intraday, no activation fee. Oh, nice. Hey, Jesse. Max payout for which account? That was up 9. So Dow's the only one to fill the gap so far. It is about the exit. So look, if you can hold a trade longer and it's going in your favor, you'll make more money. If you're wrong on the trade and you can identify it quicker and you cut it, that's still making more money because you're not taking as much of a loss. It's all about the exit. I mean, the entry can help, but in all reality, it's the decision where you get out at. Hey, Jesse, which account do you have locked at max payout? 50K TPT? Oh, that stinks. I was thinking about shorting this. Oof. Trying to get my mouse through the window. Probably just saved me. Oh, nice. Hey, good job on that, Jesse. Nice. Hey, how's the stream buffering? Has anybody had any problems with the spinning wheel today? All right, perfect. Not the best of entries. Try to move my stop. Try to move my stop right above that candle and it wicked up too quick. Oh, good job on that one, BK. Nice. Needs to go up there and get me. Gosh darn it. Come on. Go down. All right. Got me on that one. Yeah, we haven't went nowhere. We're still within that CPI candle for the most part. We're right back into it. Models long, I'm bearish. Yep. Here at the moment, I am. MQ still has not hit the VWAP yet. Let's get the VWAP on the MQ. I might change my tone. Might want to then flip over and be a buyer. I don't know yet. We'll see. Come on. I got back where I lost in the last. Oh, they slipped me on that friggin' exit. Dang it. I got back where I lost plus a little bit more, not much. Come on down. Come on down. Stupid market. Yeah, so yet, don't forget to boop that lucky like button. Trying to get 200 likes. We are going to be doing an Apex account giveaway today. So, cheapest 150K account. Oh, hey, Brian, good morning. All right, short term, we get to be oversold. Man, I should let that thing run a little bit more. That's proof again, the exit matters. Look, if I was still in it, I could be making more money. Exited too early. Yeah, P-shape volume profile. The only thing stopping me from getting too upset is I'm still in the micros. Still in them. See if we can come on down. Come on down. See if we can break that orb low right here and VWAP. Then pew, pew, pew. Yeah, give me my monies. Please. Pretty please. Pretty please. Go ahead and for second deviation band. Let's get it. Just doesn't want to give it up, man. We got a lot of chop going on here. Look at that 1 minute. Just chop, 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 chop. I still feel like the market's waiting for something. So look, I said earlier in the week, I didn't feel like it was CPI. I still don't believe it was CPI. The market's waiting for something. I have no idea what it is. Not always. Sometimes the market's crushing me. Come on. Give me my spot. See about shorting it up here. Just pull the trigger. I want to see a little bit more depth of divergence, but did not take it. Unfortunately. It's kind of funny how the trades that you don't place, right the target. There would have been an easy trade if you don't take it. You take it, it's like, maybe it hits, maybe it doesn't. Put you through the ringer for a little bit. But hey, the options flow has improved. Look at the options flow. It has improved dramatically. So are we getting ready to start screaming back up? What time is it? 10:23. We're in that time frame where we can see a nice little bounce in the markets. Oh, hey, Rick. Not on the stream is a whole different story, though. Not on stream. It's a whole different story. Or it can be. That's where all the fun time happens. The real tilt sessions. I haven't broken any keyboards, but I haven't broken any equipment from going on tilt in a long time. Years and years. But I can do some damage to my accounts at times. Like, oh yeah, watch this. Uh-oh. That didn't work out. I'm trying to bring it back up. Dow's up 86 now. Like I said, the options flow has turned. Option flow has turned. It's almost back positive even. So like we have all this consolidation, aka calls being built. Calls to go higher or calls to go lower? Yeah, it does. Hey, Rick, it does help out. Because not on stream, I'll trade a little bit bigger size, which, you know, gets you to that tilt point a little bit quicker. I don't trade massive size, but I trade bigger than what I do on stream. Smack it. I wonder what the task force is thinking about the markets at these elevated prices. Yeah, ES compared to NASDAQ. Yeah. Yesterday was stronger. And they always, you know, the correlations, you know, which one's stronger always switches. I mean, not always, but quite often. Let's go. Stupid market. So we're kind of at the top of this consolidation, this minor consolidation right here. We're kind of at the upper end. Do I take a swing at it? See how it's close to popping? Yeah, he has a task force that oversees the task force that oversees that task force. He's the task force king. So look, hey, if we can get above this regression channel right here, give me a trade detective bubble up here. I might take a swing short. I might. We'll see. No, hey, it follows you all the way, Brian. Does not stop on the evals. Now, once you're funded, it stops once you've made the drawdown amount plus $100. Yeah, create our own task force. Might want to take a little swingy swing. Let's see. Can we get a little drop? Let's go straight up. I can't crack 1K today. I'm having a hard time. I don't think I cracked it last night either. I removed my stop in the money. Go keep trailing that stop down. All right, not bad. That does put me at session highs for the day. So can't be upset with that. New session highs. So a little bit tougher though. Not getting, I'm having a lot more losses. I'm having a hard time stringing multiple winners together. So that's all right. We'll get it. Hey, BK, I have two hotkeys, one for the close button and one to move it to break even. Bulls and bears are spooning. Go check RSP. Let's go look at it. Equal weight SP 500. What are we doing? Ah, it's down. Wow. Look at RSP go. Nvidia's at session high is up 3%. SanDisk up 7%. Yeah, why can't they bring the NASDAQ down? Stupid markets. Just hurry up and bring it down for me. Oh, wow. Shoot. I need to be nicer to it. All right. Hey, closing. I closed the NASDAQ. Those micros. Holy crap. What just came out? What just came out? Woo. So you just have to keep asking nicely. Oh, good job, Raj. Hey, is that the one you won last night? Raj, is that the one you won last night? Holy crap. I don't know what that wick was all about. Nice. Holy smokes. Jeez. Trump, U.S. has total control over the Straits of Hormuz. I think we will keep it. Oh, that's a funny guy. Funny guy. We have control over the Straits of Hormuz. So I guess we're allowing Iran to fire projectiles and take out ships. Nice. That makes a lot of sense. Oh, man. Oh, that is funny. We have control over the Straits and we're going to keep it. Your account's probably blown. Hey, Mongo is probably blown because the intraday trailing drawdown. Remember, it trails your... Ooh, I don't know. Hold on. No, hey. Hey. No. You're still good. Hey, you still have it, Mongo. Because the trailing drawdown keeps going until you make $2,000. At $2,000, it stops. So as long as your account stays above 50,000, hey, you're good. You're good. Wow, that was a... See, Trump can move the markets. Oh, Iran cannot challenge a U.S. Navy blockade. Everyone calls it a wall of steel. Iran has no money, faces 300% inflation, and is all talk, no action. Oh, boy. Yeah, Mongo, you're good. So if you're at your account 4,000, just keep the account balance above 50,000. Below 50,000, boop, you'll get busted out. So you already did the hard part. You no longer have intraday drawdowns. Like you have a static account. Yeah, you have a static account though, because once the drawdown moves to $2,000, it no longer will move in the 50K account. So since you have, and that goes for any TPT account, whatever the drawdown amount is, once you've made that amount in the pro account, the drawdown just locks at your starting balance, which a 50K account would lock at 50K. 150K account would lock at 150K. So that's when life gets easier trading the TPT accounts. Once you've already made that first $2,000 in the 50K account, because now you can let the markets ebb and flow and it doesn't hurt you. Anyway, you know what's funny with that statement we had? The NASDAQ had quite the whip. Excuse me. Quite the whip. Darn hiccups. But look at oil. Oil didn't really move too much. Oil was like, that's cool. Don't forget to smash that lucky boop, boop, boop like button. Yeah, still trying to get 200 likes. We only got 193. We got some slackers in here. Uh-oh. Hey, Dollar Steve, I just saw your report card. Let's go look at it. He's been putting up some good numbers. Man, again. Geez, Steve, you're making me look bad. Dollar Steve making me look bad. I mean, it's not hard to do, but hey, what happened here? There we go. Only 3 trades, $2,197. Average winning trade, $732. Largest win, $1,200. Oh, man. Hey, great stats, Steve. Good job. Good job. Nice. That's awesome. Was lucky for you today. Oh, good job. Good job, Peter. VIX is still down 40 cents. So let's see. Are they going to push it up now? Is we going to push it up? We need somebody needs to message Trump. Iran said, "You're all talk. You ain't going to do nothing. You're just a weak, fragile old man." It said you don't have your blockade is nothing. Oh. All right, let's see. That definitely helped me out though. So whoever called Trump in for the rescue on that trade, appreciate it. Thank you very much. Make sure you keep them on speed dial for the next disaster I get myself in. Hey, so on the ES, we're coming up to some liquidity, 775-ish. I think I heard today or yesterday, Iran cares more about the Straits than their nuclear ambitions. And then they have more power by controlling the Straits. Hey, but here's something they're failing to realize. Eventually, if everyone sees the Straits as too dangerous, they'll find alternative routes for that oil. So I just don't see it. Yeah, still cleaning one. Yeah, the problem with the pipeline, though, think about it. So I thought about the pipelines. The pipeline's above ground. They can just take it out with a projectile, fly a drone into it or something. So think about taking a swing short here. Think about taking a little pink back down, but oh, you guys did get us over 200 likes. Congrats. Yeah. Yeah, but Quake could probably partner up with other neighbors and get some type of pipeline through there. I would assume. Hey, Mr. Traders, what's up? What's up? You try the coin flip trading? I got another video I'm going to do in the future. It's pretty difficult. Actually, there's two other videos. One, both exercise videos to help you be a better trader, but we don't have to go through a whole 30-day cycle for them. because they're pretty darn challenging. Oh, this cracks me up. This is funny. I don't care who you are, but this is funny. The U.S. has total control over the Straits of Hormuz. I think we'll keep it. Our naval blockade is being called by everyone a wall of steel. There is nothing Iran can do about it. They have no navy. They have no air force. The remaining soldiers are unpaid. The RG is decimated and fleeing. I don't know about that. They keep launching projectiles. So is that part of the Air Force or I don't know. They have no money. Their country is shot. All they have is fake news and 300% inflation. Oh, fake news. All praise be. Oh man, you gotta love it. Gotta love it. Gotta love it. That was probably the best tweet of the day. Help my micros get down to the target. M&Q hit the VWAP. So loved it. Love it, love it, love it. We control the straits, but so I guess, hey, so I guess we can blame the US 100% for higher oil prices. So because since we control the straits, we're choosing to keep them closed. So pretty funny. Hey, see you later, Chris. What time is it? Oh, only 10:42. I'm still looking for some more trades. Hey, Mike, what's up? What's up? Oh man. Hey, maybe that's why we called off the strikes. That's what it is. We're like, oh, we already control the straits. We don't need to waste any more weapons. Put any more people at harm since we already control it, and we're just gonna keep it. Oh man, cracks me up. U.S. Gulf Coast crude stockpiles rise in latest week by most in a week. You're out of the market because you don't know what it's doing. It's going sideways. Look, another day of just going sideways. Chop, 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 chop. So really, name of the game, if we identify a chop zone, we can just fade the edges. Sell near the top, buy near the bottom, and keep doing it until it doesn't work. And when it doesn't work, well, then we'll get into a range expansion back out. So eventually one side of it will break at some point. Yeah. Oh man, you gotta love it. Gotta love it. Baron must have been listening to our stream. He's like, Dad, hey, Mike's over there. He needs your help. You need to come out there and say something, push NASDAQ down so he can get out of the M&Qs. Hey, Raj, we're doing a pretty good job of staying contained within that CPI candle for the time being. Now, we are at the upper portion of that CPI candle. And we look at the ES. ES did break below it. So ES did come all the way down here and break below that wick of it, but yeah, I was hoping it was going to be CPI. I didn't really think so at the beginning of the week. But there's something underlying that we're just not knowing about. I don't know about it. I don't think it's something scary because look at the VIX. VIX at 14.82. It's one of the lowest levels we've seen the VIX at. Let's just see if I can grab this. Look, we haven't been at this level in the VIX since, beginning of the year. January 13th was the last touch of that area. Yeah, Friday's going to be a big day. Hey, Raj, why you say Friday would be big? I don't know. I've never really liked calendar spreads myself. Never been a fan of them. I know you can do pretty good in them, but I've just never been a fan. You know, it's still pre-market. I'm like, why is this not changing? It's been at the same freaking price. That's why. There we go. All right, SpaceX up 4.79%. Microsoft Meta down. All right, that looks better. Like, how's that the same price? Let's go look at SpaceX real quick. Where's that at? Woo. SpaceX trying to go on up. So I use the Fibonacci replacement tools. What is that? Retracement or replacement? I've never heard of Fibonacci replacement. I don't know what replacement. Oh, retracement. Yeah, I use a retracement tool all the time. Every day. Every single day. Schwab launches single stock futures. Dr. Midas. Yeah, it's a good tool. Think about Fibonacci retracements. All it is a tape measure. All right, that's all we're trying to do. Just measure. There's no secret sauce behind it. You're just looking. You know, normally if something moves up 50% off, people are like, hey, 50% off, good deal. And they'll start looking for a buy. I'm trying to get a little push down here at the moment. Yeah, channel's turning up. Yeah, it is sloping up a little bit. Hey, BK, I'm hoping we come back down. Really trying to get below that VWAP. And then maybe work towards, playing the edge of this distribution area right here. Back down 851-ish. Then maybe work all the way down towards 803. I don't know, though. We got quite the sideways action this morning. All percentages to the T. Well, I do use a different fib retracement level. A lot of people don't use. Some people do. It's not truly a fib. See if I got it on this one. Yeah. I use a 786. I think the one and most of the tools are at 76.4. So 786 is not. 786 is not a fib, a true Fibonacci ratio. Yeah, learn to keep losses small. That's what keeps you around. Losses get too big and kaboom, there goes the account. Sorry for shouting. Hey, Kim, I didn't even hear you. I know, I see the caps lock now, but you gotta know where to grab the fib from too, where to start. Where do you pull your fib from? Losses bigger, profits even smaller. Yeah, no worries. We're going to do a duck race today. We are going to be giving away Apex count today live on stream. So if you guys aren't signed up to the email list, make sure you're on the email list. Otherwise, if you win, you forfeit. Make sure your email is confirmed once you've signed up. All right, look, we're trying to come back down here. I don't know if I want to take a trade or not. I'm trying to determine, do I really want to swing at it? See, I'm not good at walking away. Hey, Sods, you say you've been there too many times, take a break, walk away. I'm not good at that. I'm just not. How to use fibs? Oh, yeah, it's easy. Easy peasy. Okay, we'll go to this chart. You can use it on daily chart, 30-minute chart, whatever. It doesn't matter. Go to NQ real quick. You can do any instrument. So like here, right? You want to look for an impulse move. Look, you had one here. Impulse move down. So you could grab the fib from the high right there. The first area we're going to bounce back up to when we start bouncing is a 38%. And quite often we'll either get a little rejection or go sideways. That's what we did. All right, now we went all the way. We did 100% retracement. We actually hit the 127 extension right up there. Then we started to pull back. Now, on the move up, we also have where you can pull a fib. All right, pretty straight leg move up. 38% retracements right here. Look, we've almost made it back down there. Almost made it to 38%. Trying to get a little bounce off that area. 50% down here at 767. I like that area a little bit more. And usually 50 to 61.8 tends to be decent buying opportunities if the market's going to bounce. So the key is look for an impulse move. Look for a straight leg. All right, so what I don't want to do is I'm not trying to pull a fib retracement through all this mess. I want to see a straight leg. So what I mean by that is I'm not going like here up to here and saying, all right, we got I don't like this. It's all choppiness. So you want to look for the straight leg. Then pull a fib. So. Oh, dang it. Got scale and jacked up. There we go. Like right here. Here's a good one. Let's go see how far we retraced there. Oh, we ended up coming down where? Right between the 38, 50% retracement level. And then boom, bounced. I've been using Fibonacci since 06, 07. Somewhere there. Not 05. Charting platform didn't have it. So, unfortunately. Started yesterday. Hey, there's nothing wrong with that. You gotta start sometime. Hey, Raj, one of the things I used to do is every night when I told you guys I wanted to learn how to trade. I would come home, hurry up, eat dinner, 6 o'clock at night, lock myself in the room and just go over all the charts. There was a guy that used to be on the radio and people would call in and talk about stocks. I tried to look at the charts, figure out what he is seeing. What's he talking about? That's the guy that I first learned the ABC pattern from. And then once I went over, through his whole radio show, went over all the stocks he went over, I would look at a chart and say, all right, how deep of a retracement do I think this is? Then what I do is grab the Fibonacci tool, measure it. Hey, pretty close. And that way you can start teaching yourself. You can just visually look at the chart and get a pretty good idea of where you're at. You won't be to the tick, but you can get a general feel of how deep the retracement is. I haven't done that exercise in a long time, but I used to do that at least 5 times a week. So then you just get trained to look at it. Then wow, was that really enough of a retracement back up? Hey, so if we're looking for an ABC pattern down, what do you guys think? Is this enough of a retracement back up? Oh, let's measure it real quick. Boom, right there, 38% retracement. But look, if you had no idea if you're even close to that area, you'd be like, I don't know. Let me go grab the tool out. In the heat of the moment, things are moving fast. You want to be able to quickly glance at it and get a good gauge of it as well. No, are we close? Are we not? So. Oh, we did complete the ABC pattern down. I can eyeball that too. I used to do that exercise. I would say we probably did a 127 almost. Almost, not quite. So we went right between the 100 and 127. But I knew we smashed 100. Here goes a 127. There you go. So. It's funny because my wife can tell stories how much time I've spent studying the charts. I spent a lot of time, lots and lots of time. And there's always more to learn. The markets are always changing. So if you think you learned everything, you know, everything you ever need to know, well, you're going to get humbled in the future. So I'm always looking for another edge in the markets, always. All right, what are we going to do? We're going sideways. Channel's trying to maybe slope back down a little bit. We got 9 count down here. So I definitely don't want to sell it here. We get a bounce back up. I might look for a short. Hey, dollars, man, you've been doing good. Results you've been sending have been on point for sure. Hey, Raj has been trading longer than I have, guys. I've been trading since 05. Hey, Raj, when did you start trading? And he used to work out on the floor too. So Raj probably has more experience than I do. He's got to see a lot more. 1985. Oh boy. Hey, Raj, so you're around during the 1987 stock market crash. Woof. Oh man, I can't even imagine back then. You started in 2022? Wow. Hey, Raj, so you got 20 years on me. Golly. So Raj has double the experience I have. Oh man, that is a lot. I remember back in the day when I was starting to learn how to trade, I was like, man, I can't wait till I've been doing it for about 10 years. I'll really have a good grasp. I'll know everything there is to know. Yeah, I've seen everybody get crushed. JD started 2 years ago. Hey, Toddle, I almost opened a trade with an account with E-Trades, but instead I ended up getting an account with Scotch Trade, home of the $7 trade. April 1st. Yeah, that's crazy. My age is younger than your experience. Hey, so I started trading, I think. Hey, didn't YouTube come out in 05? I mean, it wasn't big then. I don't think I ever even went on YouTube until like 08, 07, 08. Hey, dollars, I'm the same way. I think I'm way younger than what I am. Was Metastock 1.0. Oh man, first charting platform I bought was Telecharts 2000. All right, we do have the regression channel sloping down, so see if we get a little bounce. I might look for a short, little bouncy bounce, so I can sell. Let's get it. Target. Trump, I did not short it yet. Wait. I want to trade this lower. I was hoping for a little bounce up here. I just called it out and then the market said, oh, he wants to short it. Pew. Try to start going down without me. Joker. In Hong Kong. No, hey, I closed out the micros on that Trump speech or Trump talk. So I got out around 857, 857 ish for the price. And I was in at 968. So about 110 points on them. So. Oh, let's go check on. We got another report card coming in. Let's see. Oh, that's weird. It's just a blank screen. Let me refresh it. Hey, Jesse. I didn't get anything. Hey, Jesse, you just sent me a blank screen. I didn't get nothing. It's just blank. You didn't attach nothing. I got the title for the email and that's it. Maybe I gotta have, I don't have my glasses. I lost them yesterday. So maybe I have to put my glasses on. Hey, Jesse, did you buy these with or without the DLL? With or without DLL? Wow, that's weird. Hey, I don't get anything on any of the emails. Hey, Jesse, it's just blank. Yeah, I'm going to reply back to you. Hey, Jesse, reply back. Yeah, no DLL. Try to play my jam. Let's go. Sellers be selling. Hey, options flow is turning negative again. See, options flow is starting to go down. And when we came up, put in a lower high in the options flow. Dang it. So I wanted to short it. They go up high enough for me to short it. Yeah, I did. Actually, after I did buy him, I didn't take him out of the box yet. I went and got him last night. Went out to dinner and went and picked him up. It sucks because I didn't even have him that long. Hey, yesterday I was out e-foiling. I looked down in the water. This is when I still had the glasses. I looked down the water and I see something like a gray, like a shark. I'm like, ugh. It was big old, I didn't say big, but it was probably 2.5 foot span ray. I was like, oh boy, let me not fall there. I was thinking about if I fall and that thing comes up and gets me like the crocodile hunter. I was like, oh no, I don't want it. Don't get me. So I quickly got away from there. All right, let's try this. Hey, we got it. All right. Let's see. All right, let's see what Jesse did. He sent over his stats of the day First glance, it looks pretty good. I just can't see. I gotta make it bigger. That's what. Oh boy. Let's see. Total pro. Hey Jesse, this is across all 3 accounts, right? Is this across the 3 accounts? The new ones they just bought? Total profit $11,880. Profit factor 5.81. Man, that's bang. That's a banger. Total trades 54. Win loss 79.63%. Wow. Average winning trade 333. Average losing trade 224. That's good. Man. Max consecutive losers 2. Max winners 12. Largest win 703 versus largest loss 328. Man, that's great. Great stats. Give it up. Give it up. That's awesome. I love it. That's really good stats. Oh, yeah. Where'd my snipping tool go? There we go. Yeah, Raj just sent a chart as well. Look at the chart that Raj just sent. I'm trying to rip this bad boy back up. Oh, we just stuck. So that's some type of trade detector bubble up here and there. You see the P-shaped volume profile. Do we break below it and start going back lower? We might. That's some really good stats. So many guys have really been killing it. Killing it. We got to do the Apex. We got to do the giveaway before I run out of time. No. Lock it out, Jesse. Lock it out. Come on. Put Superman away. Lock it out. Jesse's mind's like, okay, I can pass all 3 of these and start working on the payout. Hit the max consistency in one day. Ducks. Traffic controller. They say it's a stressful job, but I don't know. I have a hard time wrapping my head around that. How that's that stressful, but I haven't done the job, so. All right, we gotta get the ducks going. We're gonna do a little ducky race. I gotta figure out what I want it to be. Hold up. I don't know if it's gonna pop up. All right. Well, I make sure that all the codes don't pop up for the Apex accounts. So you guys go steal them all. All right. So we got that. What do I want the key phrase to be? What should the key phrase be? I gotta think about this one. I got to think about it. Oh, hey, if you guys did get a legacy account from Apex, you can reset them for $49. It's not bad. $100K intraday account, no activation, $59. It's pretty cheap. It's pretty cheap. Watching Howard the Duck. Let's see. I'm trying to figure out. All right. So we're going to do a duck race here in a few moments. Ew, it's out of water. So give me a second. I'm going to let my assistant take it away. I'm going to go refill my water. We're going to come back. We're going to do a duck race. Get that knocked out of the way and see if we can still find some more trades out here today. I'm not done trading yet. So give me a moment. I'll be right back. Hey, I'll leave you guys alone for a few moments and you get the markets going back up. What's going on there? I get some eye drops too. Yeah. All right. So let's see. All right. So let's talk about what you need to do in order for a chance to win, to be in the duck race. One, make sure you are signed up to the email list down below and your email is confirmed. Otherwise you win, you'll forfeit. Number two, spam the chat with the key phrase I'm about to give out. Nightbot's going to pick out about 10 people. I'll scroll through the chat and pick out some other people myself. So let's see. Get ready. All right. Key phrase is dropping in 3, 2, 1. Boop. Apex, use code Mike. YouTube's buffering now. right, there you go. First winner. I need to select. I need to move this over. All right. Next one. Hey, BK is going to be duck number 2. The next duck is going to be Toddle. Toddle Trades. Next one will be Repeat. Let's go. Next one will be JC Lakefront. Next one is going to be Two Cheeks something. Two Cheeks Fit. Oh boy, some of the names. STFU. Benjamin, you have a spot? Next one, Sods. You have a spot? Hedged, you have a spot? Let's see how many that is. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. All right, I'll pick one more. All right, Paul, you have a spot? All right, now I'm going to scroll through the chat. You guys can, don't have to worry about spamming the chat. Oh, chat's actually not moving this time. All right. Let's go. So I get rid of that. Bam. All right, you guys don't have to worry about spamming the chat. No worries, I got you. You have a spot in the duck race. Ew. Don't move on me, chat. There we go. Alley Cat, you have a spot? Eddie, you have a spot? Let's see. Oh, where's Paul at? There you go. Paul Rodriguez, you have a spot? You already picked. Miranda, you have a spot? Roach, you have a spot? Brutal, you have a spot? Ooh, I don't know how to pronounce your name, but HRI Day. Let's see. Trading game, you have a spot? Repeat something, right? Captain Rex, give you a spot in the duck race. So I come back and the market starts going down. I'm still hoping to get a couple more trades in, so I got no worries in, right? Yep, I do. Finite, you have a spot? Ooh, I can't believe I almost forgot. Trish, you got a spot? And one more. And David Snyder, you have a spot? Let's see. I'm going to copy and paste all these people, put all of yous into the duck race. All right, names, edit. What do we got? I've got 24. All right. Now, remember, if you win, you're not on the email, your email is not confirmed, you'll forfeit. So let's try not to have that happen. All right, let's see who's got what it takes. Whose duck is up for the swim challenge? On your marks. Get set. Beep. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Quack, quack, quack. Ugh, Spider Duck looks evil with eyes. He's like, this is mine. Paul's going to throw that web. Pull himself in. Oh, we got Doc the Duck, Miranda in the lead. Like Sherlock. Ooh, let's see. Is Miranda going to be able to keep up? I don't think so. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. Eddie for the win. All right. All right. Eddie. Good job. Hey, Eddie, what's the first 3 letters of your email? First 3 letters of your email. I thought that's what it was. All right. I'll try and bring it down. Oh boy. All right, Eddie, I found that one, the EDU one. Here's what I'm going to do. No, it doesn't matter. It won't matter. Hey, but just to make sure that we are right, type in the number in the email I just sent you. I sent you an email. Type in the number. Into the chat. Are we trying to come on down? Get on down there. Yeah, play a 2FA game. Come on down. Come on. Come on. Come on. I just wish I was in a trade. Maybe if we go down enough, maybe I'll look for a buy. We are below VWAP right now in the 1 minute. NASDAQ chart, which should be below VWAP on all the NASDAQ charts, but ES is also below VWAP. So we get back down towards the opening price. Well, we do have the lower band down here on the ES. A lot closer to the lower band on the ES than the NASDAQ. Yeah, 101. All right, I got you. And it would be good for any account, not the no activation fee accounts, but any account size that you choose. Intraday, EOD account, it'll all work, but not the 5-pack. All right, Eddie, I just sent you the code. You got it. All right, I can close out some of these windows. There we go. There we go. All right, we do got a 9 count over here on the NASDAQ. We're just below the opening range low. I don't know, though. I don't know that I'm feeling froggy about that. No fee account won't work. It'll work on the intraday or EOD accounts. 29,830. Yeah, we'll see if we go a little bit lower. Or if we're gonna bounce. I'm up for a good bounce. You know, we got right to the edge where we talked about earlier of the distribution. Next stop would be about 803 off the volume profile, but we'll see if we get there. If we bounce here, I won't be upset. So I don't know if I want to. We got the Dow down 11 points. So But do we end up just flushing down this afternoon too? I don't know. When I look at the 5-minute chart on the, and NASDAQ kind of has it too. Kind of this little wedge pattern. Here's what I think. I think we get one leg down at some point. Maybe not right here, but at some point down, and then they buy it back up. So if we get a fast leg down, I'm going to be looking to be a buyer. This is what I'm hoping for. Fast leg, smack it, see if I can get it on the move back up. And we'll see. It's 11:28 right now. Again, the market's not probably chopping up quite a few people, not making it easy for people. Till Asia low. Oh boy, you're looking for a big move down. Asia low. Wouldn't be upset with that. Get a little smacky smack. Where's the VIX at? VIX is still hanging down here by the lows. NASDAQ's trying to bounce as we speak. I wanted a fast dip down so I can be a buyer. So I'm looking for a fast move down, or at least a straight leg down. If it was faster, it'd be better, but we get, several bars where we're just going down, down, down. That would meet my requirement as well. Now long NQ. Expecting a sharp pullback to the upside. The EMAs right here are 50 and 200 period EMA. All right, Dow just got back green. Yeah, crude oil is trying to go up. Crude oil is flat right now. Crude oil is up 2 cents. Mark is like, oh, you want me to go up? All right, I'm going to go up. No, I'm sorry. The 50, 5-0 and the 200 period EMA. So come on, just get it. Just get it. Go down for me so I can buy it. Please, please, please. I feel like I'm not asking for too much here. Can they push it? Whole lot of nothing going on. Now I'm kind of curious with the CPI prints. Let's go look at 30-minute charts real quick. 30-minute NASDAQ, we're kind of in the middle of that CPI candle right here. Kind of in the middle of it. We look at the ES. All right, we're kind of...
Connection lost.
That's never good. Kind of in the down by the low of it. I was thinking about taking a short here. Obviously, I didn't pull a trigger, so no trade. I was thinking about it, but I think I'd rather wait for the flush down and then look to go for a little pop back up. Is what I'm favoring. I want to see a flush down and then pop. I want to buy the pop back up. But we got to be careful. We are in negative gamma area. So you look over here and you see all the red, which means we can get exaggerated moves either direction while we're in there. So be careful. No trade November. Yeah, I can't do that. It sounds horrible. Come on down. Come on down. Hey, Eric, I've probably only missed 20 trading days at most since 2005. Not 20 trading days in a year, 20 trading days total. Maybe. And part of that was when I was in Costa Rica and we went all the way down to Pavones. I'm stuck in a trade. Now, thankfully, that was... I think I got... No, that was a Sunday night. That was a Sunday night. I remember that. We went down there. We stayed there 2 nights. So I missed 2 days of trading that trip. But maybe it's 3 days. Mine missed 3 days. It was 2 or 3 days. I was still involved in the market though, but uh-oh. All right, is this gonna be the fast flush I'm hoping for? Come on, we need to go down lower. We need to get it. That can look to be a buyer. And bam, 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 bam. Hit it. Dial back down 13. Jeez. Jeez Louise. Yeah, drop it like it's hot. I need to see more of a push. Came right down to a lower regression channel, trying to bounce up. I want to see more of a push. Let's go back over and look at the 30-minute chart real quick. Where are we in terms of... So I look at the retracement all the way from the low of yesterday afternoon. Came down to 38% retracement. Do we go sideways here? Maybe bounce a little bit? And if we do we set up some type of ABC pattern on the way down? Keep in mind, this morning we warned about right up here, right at 30,000, all that gamma exposure. You guys remember this chart that we shared? Look at all that gamma exposure we have right there at 30,000. Talk about that in pre-market as well. So we basically hit it, bink, right back down. Might be able to make our way back towards 800, which would be GEX1 level. I wouldn't be upset with that. Oh, Captain, I appreciate that. Still want to see more of a push. I don't know why it won't cooperate with me. Yeah, price action is gross. I agree. It's been tough. I struggled a little bit last night. Struggled this morning. Almost went red this morning. Almost went red. I think I was still up $100 and then I was able to come back. So. Just really, really slow. It's like the market's waiting for something, but what? We've already had CPI out. And again, this is where I don't think the market's waiting for a PPI. We've been like this since Sunday night. Sunday night was horrible. So look, what do we have rest on the week? Right? Rest of the week. Yeah, of course, CPI, that was today. Tomorrow we have PPI data coming out. Friday, we have retail sales, preliminary consumer sentiment, preliminary inflation expectations. All right, what about the following week? Even if it was something the following week, I don't think a week earlier we'd be trading the way we are. FOMC meeting minutes, that's usually just a little blip. I just don't see it. Hey, look, the VIX is trying to go down there and take out the lows too. I know the summer is normally slower. But come on. They got to pick it up a little bit. Can't be long here now. No. Well, hey, if we get back above the opening range low, here's a shot. We try to make it back to the midpoint. 926. I'd rather see 800 first. 800 is at GEX1. So maybe 803 is where we were talking about earlier on the volume profile. Go down there and maybe look for a little scalp back up. If we can get a big flush down, then I want to look for a bigger move on the way up. Market should move either way. Well, hey, so if buyers are happy with the prices that they have, they don't want no more. And sellers are like, ew, I don't want to get ran over. You know, you need somebody to jump on and we need aggressive buyers or aggressive sellers. That's what moves the markets. And there's just no aggression. Too much scaredy pants. Scaredy pants trading going on. I've had a little bit of that myself. You know, if I didn't struggle as much as I did this morning, even a little bit last night, not too bad, but a little bit, then I probably would be taking a lot more of these trades. But I'm trying to keep it at bay a little bit. I don't want to just chop away my profits. So quit scary pants trading. All right, come on down. Come on down. Let's get a more. I want to go long. Hoping for the push down so I can get long. Should have stopped at 4K. Yeah, that's the Mongo. That's the hard part. There's a fine line between pushing more and stopping. You know, you want more, but pushing more, it might lose everything. Plus some. So. Come on. Stupid market. Yeah, where's Trump at? Wash might be able to move the markets too. Get a little statement out by Wash. We might have to come out here and raise rates. That would get the markets cooking. Kind of curious, where are yields at this morning? It's almost afternoon now, but how have the yields done? They come off the low. A little bit of a wick on the bottom. We still have the target up here. 4.786. Yeah. Well, I got the entire range on the NASDAQ's 377 points. Yesterday, the range was 353. Day before that was 265. So the range has definitely been contracting. Because the 14-day average for the NASDAQ right now is 535. Was 700 just yesterday or the day before. So 3-day loss in a row. That stinks. We've all been there. If you haven't, you will at some point. I remember a period of time where, like, for an entire month, I lost almost every day. Every day. Some days were bigger, some days were smaller. And then what happened most of the days, not the first, but after the first down day, I would be up. I'm trying to get back where I lost the prior day. Then I end up red. Next day, I'd start off good, try to get it back, end up red. It's like, so frustrating. So frustrating. But yeah, just early to the trade. That's the way I look at it too, Eric. Just like Michael Burry says. Michael, nobody shorts the housing market. I did. I'm the first one to do the trade. Give me my money back, you mother. Beep, beep. So. This is definitely slow. And what I will say from all the years and all the drawdowns that I've been in, once it starts clicking for you again, you'll be amazed how quick that money comes back. Like, you'll be amazed. Like, holy crap. Now, when you think there's no way I'm ever going to get this back, and poof, right back. Oh, Cove, good job. Nice. Yeah, that's what it's all about, getting payouts. Good deal. Jesse just got a payout last night. Nice. I don't want to jinx it, but I have my Tradify account so I can get a payout again, but I'm trying to get back to at least where I was. So I'm not ready to take a payout yet. Hey, that's usually most people's problem. No stop loss or moving stop loss. And what's funny is you go back and look at it after the fact and like, what the F was I doing? Like, why? Why? I think what happens is we get away with it. You do it a couple times, you get away with it. You're like, oh yeah, I got this. And then the time it doesn't work is the one that sucks. What'd Jesse do? Oh, maybe on his payout. That the Marcus for bad this all week. This takes the cake. Yeah, today's pretty horrible. We had to move up, a little pullback, and now we're just like chop. NASDAQ slowly trying to grind down. So, what's the best firm to use? Depends on what you're going after. Okay, I'm finally done with this trade. I'm closing it. Gosh, I've been in that trade all friggin' morning. That was from pre-market in the Apex Challenge accounts. Let's see what time I put that trade on. Yeah, over in this area. Golly, and way too long. Way too. So it's right after the CPI report came out. I had to sit in that trade for hours. Hours. Oh, man. But if we do look, once again, did accomplish the $400 goal in these Apex accounts. So $400, I'm not really upset. 200 last night, 200 today, a little bit more than that, but you get the gist. Again, that's all I'm going for, $200 per session in the Apex Challenge. So that's session number 6. Was in that trade all friggin' morning. Golly, that sucked. Wish I would have just been trading the NASDAQ instead. I feel like I would have done better. I tried to go for too big of a move in that gold. I was up on gold. Then it came back on me. I was like, oh boy. And then I added one to it and I go green, red, green, red, green, red. Oh man. Crazy. But hey, but think about this. So imagine if I was trying to, in that trade, for example, I was like, oh, it's going down. I'm going to get out. Okay, I'm going to go long. Oh, then it goes back. And then what will happen is you'll end up getting chopped around. But the fact that I was like, we're in a slower market. Let it do its thing. And it sat there and it was patient. Very patient. What was that? Over 3 hours in that trade. Very patient. Letting it do its thing. And then finally, it goes down. I do think it's going to go lower. And initially, I was trying to go for all the way to the other VWAP band. I was feeling a little Superman-ish. So, thankfully, I'm done with those accounts. I'm going to turn the copier off. Copier is now off. I'm going to go ahead and close out that chart trader window. All right, they're off. Yeah, Lucid's really good. Hey, Eric, you can do the right thing for 6 months and still lose money, though, too. It could just be one of those, you know, funks. I mean, I don't know if you guys have ever done it, but I've had a 6-month drawdown in my account. Not fun. Not fun. Two hours and close out break even. Yeah, luckily I closed out. You're on a 3-year drawdown. Oh no, hey Rick, you gotta start the count over every year. So you start the count over at the beginning of the year. Otherwise, I've been in way more than 6 months. No, don't close winners early. No, no, no. You gotta let your winners run. You gotta close your losses early. That's why there's 2 games I'm gonna play. I'm gonna do a video about them. I don't think the last video I did on the coin flip got very many views. Actually, let's go look. Last time I checked, they didn't have very many views at all. I am kind of curious. But I had fun. I had fun making the video, so that's all that matters. Try and go up here a little bit. Yeah, it's coiling up for something. Are we gonna pop or are we gonna drop? It's a freaking slow market. I forgot about that. Yeah, coin flip videos only got like 300 something views. That's horrible. 367. That's all good. I still have fun doing it. Hey, Rick, so that's a funny story. So sometime, probably 2 years in, 2 years, couple months ish, I started trading options, trading credit spreads. And for like 14 or 16 months, I had 0 losing months. I'm like, woohoo! I crossed the borderline. I'm now a profitable trader. Then in one trade, everything I made in all that time, poof, gone. One trade, wiped it out. I didn't get out when I was supposed to, and that happened in late 08. So, yeah. That was horrible. That was horrible. So maybe it was probably beginning of 07. Probably beginning of 07. And then I made it all back. Everything I lost, I made it back in a couple weeks. Then I lost it again. Not doing the same type of trade, but just being reckless. And it was dumb. Also, I was trading options very conservatively. And the funny part was that month, I already made my money. So a lot of months I tried doing iron condor. Put one leg on and then I would finesse the other leg, eventually turn it. It'd go from just a vertical spread to an iron condor trade. Again, if you don't trade options, you probably don't know what I'm talking about. But so I was like, all right, I got out. And I was like, wow, I can get back in up here. Get in up there as it's going up. I'm like, wow, look how far away I can get. Sold them way down there. What I felt was way far away. And with that strategy, you just have to pick where the market's not going to go. Well, I get out of the call. The calls get out pretty quick. And then it goes up. And then I could have got out of the trade that smoked me. Usually I've been getting out for a nickel. I'm like, I'm not going to pay commissions this time. I'm just going to let it expire worthless. And then, oh my goodness. It went down. I should have got out when the delta was 0.40. I did not. And that night, I think it was a Wednesday night, the guy that taught the strategy was having he did like a once a week. He had 2 webinars he did once a week, one for beginners, one for intermediate and advanced traders of the strategy. I can't remember which one it was, but I said, I want to listen to see what he has to say. He says, hey, now normally we get out at 0.4 delta. Here's my trade, and he's in a worse spot than I am. I'm like, oh, I'm good. He goes, I'll probably go below it. By the time options expire, it'll come back up. We're trading European option expirations, so they can't exercise it on you early. I'm like, oh, I'm good. It went way past my spot and kept going. So, hey, and not the fact that I didn't get out for a nickel like I normally do. And then even when I was down, I was like, I don't want to pay $1 commission to close these out at the very end. Instead, what happened was I was over leveraged. I didn't get out what I normally would. And then I didn't want to pay $1 per contract. Instead, they charged me $15 per contract for an exercise fee. Yeah, that was great. Great times. Great times. Looking back, I wish I could replay it. Like I wish it was being videotaped when I was going through it. Because it was horrible. Financial crisis all over the news. Get into a car because I was a mechanic. Every radio would have it talking about it. I'm like, oh my gosh. Everybody's talking about it at work. I'm getting smoked in this trade. Like I'm just getting my butt smoked. And I remember thinking the Friday on expiration, I'm like, oh, please let this work out the way it's supposed to. Please. And then Friday comes around, Friday night, I don't know, 8-10 o'clock at night. I look, the trades are gone out of my account. Gone. All the money's in my account. I'm like, they didn't exercise my options. I'm good. Saturday morning, I get up. Hey, everything's there. Saturday night, all my money's there, but the options trades are gone. I'm like, they forgot about poor little me with the whole financial crisis going on. Oh, that's so cute. I got away with it. Sunday morning, I get up. Money's still there. I go get lunch. I said, I'm going to come home. I'm going to study these charts. I'm never going to do this again. And then all the money was gone, plus another $950-ish, $950. I wanted to cry. I had a tear about coming out of my eye. That sucked. But hey, it's part of it. Scout for nickels and dimes. I mean, you could, but you know, gotta be careful too. Hey, Eric, I'm with you on that. Hey, just like after you get smoked, you say, I'm never going to move my stop again. I'm never going to do it again. Well, next day, a couple days later, find yourself in the same situation. So look, if you have a bad habit, you got to replace it with something else. So. Measure inches, not feet. What do you do after this? Yesterday, I went out on my e-foil, lost my sunglasses. I've only had them for a couple weeks. I don't know. Brand new Costa glasses, poof, gone. So I had to go buy new ones. Yesterday, when I set the whole e-foil up, I was setting it up, get it all set up, put my glasses on. Oh, no, I had everything on. I was like, oh crap, I forgot my rash guard. Put my rash guard on. So I took the glasses back off. And when I put them on, I didn't tighten the thing against the back of my head. And I went chasing down a boat and went to go jump the boat wake. And I think that's when I lost them. Because I didn't come down the way I wanted to. I jumped the boat wake, but I ate crap. I did not land. I have yet to land it launching out of the water. Not very good with it, but still fun. So I came home and told my wife, I can't believe what happened. She goes, oh boy, what happened? Lost my glasses. My favorite pair of glasses. Hey, now if you guys do want to do me a favor, when you guys go to leave, if you want to click on that link in the pinned comment section, it's a video I just dropped, especially if you trade with NinjaTrader Prop or you need help with NinjaTrader Prop. This video is going to be for you. So check it out. Smash the like button, leave a comment. I do appreciate it. I will be streaming tonight at 8 o'clock. 8 o'clock tonight, I will be streaming. Tonight, we're going to give away another Apex account. Now, that video might not be live yet. It might not be live for another minute. Just be live for the members only at this time. But you should be able to watch it. Yeah, probably now. Yeah, Eric, I need to do a video on it. I'm trying to figure out. I've been practicing. I don't want to give it up because it'll be a funny video once I get it. Have a good one, Raj. But I'm working on. I'll just tell you. Nah, I'm gonna wait. I'm gonna try to do a video on it. I don't want to give it up yet. Has to do with the e-foil, but so I'm trying to work on my skill set so I'll be able to do it for the video. So, but with that being said, hopefully you guys will come back and join me tonight. Where are the bands at on your chart? The bands are way far away. We're not even close. So I'm probably not gonna trade no more today. Be done. Just is what it is. So yeah, but hey, Eric. So on the what kind of e-foil board did you get? It could be more upside. I was hoping for a deeper retracement so I could go long, but we haven't gotten it yet. Got that $20 major $300 target. Nice. Nice. Yeah, I've never snowboarded myself. Done a lot of surfing. That doesn't do me a lot of good. Surfing is a lot of back foot pressure. E-foil is a lot of front foot pressure. A little bit different. So, all right, guys. With that being said, I'm out of here. Hopefully you guys will join me tonight and or tomorrow. We have more Apex accounts to give away. All right. Take care. Have a good day.